There are two ways to check equality in Python. First one is standard double equal sign, and another one is with keyword is. In this video, you're going to learn what is the difference and when you should use which. So, double equal sign compares if two objects have the same value, while is compares if two objects point at the same memory location. What that means is when I create, or better saying, assign value to some variable, for example, a equals 100, Python stores 100 in memory location and makes a point at that location. So when I write, for example, b equals 100, now because 100 is an integer and integer is immutable type, which means once you created that 100 object, it's stored in memory and you can't have duplicates of it, which means that b points at the memory location where integer 100 is. And because a points as well, when I print a is b, this will print true. If I print also a equals b, this will also print true because it checks for equality. If I run this, you see I have two true values. But what happens if I write int and I convert this 100 from string to integer? What do you think both of these will print now? As you can see, both print true. But what do you think will happen if I write here 1000? What will now these two print? You see, now this first one printed false while the second one printed true. Why is that? Because integer creates a new object when you convert from string, boolean, or whatever into an integer. Also, sometimes it creates new object, sometimes it doesn't. For example, because 1000 is a big number, it creates a new object. But because 100 is not, it created the same. In other words, you should be careful when you use is to compare for two values, because in this case, even though they have the same value, is prints false. Let's see what happens with mutable types. With mutable types, when you assign some value, for example 1, 2, and 3, and you assign that same value to another variable, for example in this case b, because it's immutable, that means it can change the memory location. So I have 1, 2, and 3 in location 1, while I have 1, 2, and 3 from b in location 2, and they're not the same, which means a is b will print false, while a equal b will print true. False and true. If I want a is b to print true, I should say b equals a. And now when I run the code, you see I get two true values. So for the summary, you should use double equal sign almost always to compare if two objects have equal values. Is only used when you want to check if they point at the same memory locations. That is the rare case. And the only time when you're always going to use is over double equal sign is, for example, if you have variable a that equals none. Because none is special object in Python, you should use is always. If a equals none, even though this will work, and sometimes I forget that and write a equals none, you see there's a brown outline, which means there is something wrong with this. It may work, but there's something wrong. It's not clean. If you replace a double equal sign with keyword is, now everything's fine. And this will print, you should use is when comparing none. And now when I run the code, you see you should use is when comparing none. Even when I write double equal sign, in that case, it also works. So, if you found this video useful and you want to learn more Python tips, check my Python tips and tricks playlist. Also, don't forget to subscribe for more Python tutorials.